Watch this video as we take a look at how to match bank statement lines to transactions in Xero. From the home page, click Reconcile Items on the account you want to reconcile. When a bank statement comes into your organization, Xero will look at the date, payee, and amount, and try to find a match against an existing transaction. In this example, we received a payment from Bayside Club. Xero found an invoice with the same details of the payment and suggested a match. Xero highlights direct matches in green. In this case, the match is correct, and all you need to do is click OK, which does two things. It marks the invoice as paid, and it reconciles the statement line. Exact matches are the easiest way to use the Match tab in the bank reconciliation in Xero. You're now able to reconcile direct matches between a bank statement line and a transaction in Xero.